Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of The Common Diary. Today we'll be seeing how to make chicken biryani. Firstly, we will need about 7 onions. Now we have our onions ready. Now I'll show you how to marinate the chicken that we need. You'll need about 1 kg of chicken. And first you'll need to put on some salt, just like a little bit, just to get the marination. Then have a spoon of chili powder and just a little bit of turmeric. Some ginger paste. Just note that this is only for the marination that we need. And a garlic paste, half a teaspoon, and you can mix them. Now the marination is ready. We will look for other ingredients. We'll need about 6 green chilies. We will need about 4 tomatoes. Now I have put on my onions and the green chilies. I have added and keep sauteing till it gets light brown. Now the onions are getting light brown. I'll show you how to soak the rice we needed. So I'm going to use this type. So I'm going to use this types of cup, which you can do it. Take 3 cups of rice, the basmati rice. So here I have washed the rice and have added some water. And now I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of salt for the rice. Now I'm gonna put the rice in high temperature. I'm going to cover them, and let's go back to our So, and now we have to cut juicy tomatoes. Make sure the tomatoes are juicy, so it'll get more tastier. Add them into our mixture with some ginger paste and garlic paste. Now we have some ginger paste and garlic paste in the marinated itself, so just add a little bit more into the mixture and saute and keep sauteing. And now that the mixture are well mixed, we are going to add our marinated meat to our mixture and saute them well. Make sure that keep cooking till the chicken gets tender and well cooked. And after mixing it a bit, we can add our masala. So we'll need we to put 1 spoon of chilies and 2 spoons of salt. And a bit of a turmeric. So the thing is, I have added salt already when I was cooking the onion, so it will get more. The onion will get cooked faster, and it will get more tastier. And we're gonna add some yogurt. About 2 spoons of yogurt would be good. And mix our ingredients. Keep sauteing them and keep cooking till the chicken is well cooked and tender. Now that we have fried for 5 minutes, I'm gonna add some lemon juice. So I have taken fresh lemon juice here. So you're gonna add in 3 spoons of them. And we're gonna mix them well. Okay. Now that the rice is 75% cooked and our mixture is ready, we are going to arrange the biryani. I'll show you how, but before that we will need to dry our rice, drain them. So we have drained the rice completely. Now I'm going to show you how to put the biryani into them. So I have set it up the stove to low temperature Now half of the drained rice are in the pot. I'm gonna add our mixture over it. And I'm gonna evenly spread them. And now I'm gonna spread the remaining rice over the top of the mixture. And if you need it, you can add in some mint and coriander leaf on top of it and cover them and set them aside for 10 minutes. Make sure. Now that the rice is fully cooked, let's mix the mixture. Make sure the rice doesn't break. And now our chicken biryani is ready along with our onion raita. Do let us know how does it taste once you try them. You can let me know on our comment section. And for instant updates, follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram at The Common Diary. And the recipe of this chicken biryani is available on www.thecommondiary.com. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.